Welcome back to History of Harry, and welcome back to our mini-series, Armour Explained. Today we'll be looking at explosive reactive armour, and if you thought our previous episode was hard to understand, which I don't blame you for, then good luck here because we're about to dive into some weirder stuff. Before I explain ERA, I need to explain what heat is. No, heat. High explosive anti-tank. So picture this. Some metal lining is backed onto a shaped charge. When this charge goes off, it goes through something called the Monroe effect, which, to put simply, is just how a blast energy is focused into a hollow space. To do this, you need to cut a cone-like shape into the surface of the explosive. Hence, it's a shaped charge. Anyway, that energy is all on this metal, which becomes super fast and just goes straight through armour on its kinetic energy alone. So, how do you stop such a thing? Well, if you ever heard the phrase, don't fight fire with fire, don't become a designer of tanks because good old explosion will fix it. ERA is usually in boxes which have a thin outer plate and the inside is stuffed with explosives. Like a really combustible Oreo. Since the jet starts on the thin outer plate of the box, once it touches the explosives, it does what explosives do, explode, and throws off this thin plate, which dissipates the energy with the jet. Clever, yes. Reusable, no. It's fairly obvious you need to constantly replace these in battle, and cannot be relied on solely for protection. The technique can also sometimes work with kinetic penetrators, which are basically rods. As you can imagine, that rod will be broken, sometimes at least. But heat is what it's usually for. ERA is most commonly found on Eastern Bloc tanks, like here on this T-72, and here on this PT-91. Apart from the obvious reusability issues which we mentioned, there's also the fact that any infantry standing next to their tank may not be healthy after their explosive box goes off. Well, that's a quick explanation for ERA, and I will see you for the next one. I've been Harry, and there's been no history today. Might as well rename myself with Engineering with Harry at this point.